Welcome back to NeoBlue Fusion, the home of captivating machinery clips that are guaranteed to satisfy your eyes. Today's footage is something you don't want to miss. Stick with us and enjoy the whole video. This is a dough cutting machine in action. It slices every piece with precision, keeping the size and weight perfectly consistent. You're watching the mooncake production process up close. Every smooth press and perfect pattern makes the whole thing incredibly satisfying to see. Here are some of the most satisfying videos of massive dam water releases in China. Watch how the sheer power of the flow turns into an incredible visual show. This is modern technology in pipe bending at its best. Watching these machines turn solid metal into smooth, precise curves is incredibly satisfying. In this factory video, the sofa gets vacuum wrapped to shrink its size and make shipping way easier. It's a clever method that keeps everything neat and compact. Check out this tech video where a laser engraves perfectly crisp details on a tire surface. It's modern, precise, and surprisingly fun to watch in action. This homemade metal bending machine proves how effective indigenous tools can be, transforming simple materials into a setup that bends metal with impressive accuracy. It's surprising how a build made from common parts can produce such clean, satisfying bends without relying on high-end machinery. In this manufacturing process, cooling a precision metal part with liquid nitrogen causes it to contract slightly, making the part shrink just enough for an easier fit. This temporary reduction in size lets the component slide smoothly into a tight assembly before it expands back to its normal dimensions. A smart worker came up with a simple yet clever metal bending tool that gets the job done for cheap. This Chinese wood engraving shows incredible craftsmanship, created by carving detailed patterns into solid wood with steady hands and precise tools. This is the wire winding process, where each loop is placed with almost machine-like accuracy. The rhythm, precision, and tidy results make the whole thing incredibly fun to watch. This is a metal lathe in action, cutting and shaping steel with smooth precision as part of the manufacturing process. Watching the tool carve clean lines and perfect cylinders makes the whole operation surprisingly satisfying to see. A farmer is harvesting mushrooms fresh from the growing beds. The careful way each one is picked makes the whole process look calm and satisfying. This is satisfying embroidery in action, where each stitch lands perfectly into place. Watching the flower pattern slowly come to life thread by thread is incredibly relaxing. Thanks a lot for watching, really appreciate you staying till the end. See you in the next video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.